Welcome to the channel now guys. Today we'll be looking at new function, that is count if and sum if, whenever you want to use the count if and sum if. So now I will show you count if. First you have to take the count. Now here you can see the if. Press tab. Once you press tab, it will ask for the range, what range you want. So basically from the countries, whatever the India, I want those count. Okay, so I am clicking this range B2. Till what range you want? I want till all the ranges. Right now I am pressing here 1000 for example, so that it goes everywhere, comma, the criteria. What is the criteria? I want only the India, right? So I am pressing double quotes and I am writing India and I am closing this. Once you close this, see, you get the 25. So basically when you will be filtering out this, for example, and I am going at India only as of now. Okay, so when you count this, the number of count will be 25. Okay, this is how the count if works. This is count if. Similarly, if you want to have for the America, so what I will be doing, I will be removing this as of now from filter. Okay, now I want, for suppose for Japan. Okay, I will do count if, then from which range I want this, till B 1000 I am taking. Suppose there are 1000 rows. Now the criteria is Japan, right? So I will write here Japan. Make sure you are writing the correct spelling. If you don't write the correct spelling, the that will change. Now here you got the 24. Now for example, if you have written this big in Japan, so still it is showing, it is not a case sensitive. But if you change the spelling like Japan, now it will show 0 because there is no Japan, the spelling is wrong of Japan. So make sure this is again not a case sensitive. So here the case is different and here the case is different, but still we are getting the count. Similarly, when you are getting the count, you can also calculate the sum, like sum is nothing but the addition of all your rows whatever you are taking, right? Similarly, the sum if also is there. Now I want the range is again from here till I am looking for the 1000. The criteria, what criteria I want for India, for example. What is sum range? From which column you need to take the sum. From this is the column where I need to take the sum, and it will go till 1000, right? So I'll close this. So you'll be getting this number. If you want to check, go in filter, alt ddf, go in India. Now select India and add this all. Now once you add this, you'll be getting 4684. Okay, this is how you got it. This is 46784. Got it? Similarly, if I wanted to have for Japan, then I will write sum if. What is my range? Range is from B2 till colon B 1000. Now my sum range is again from C2 to C 1000, right? But here before that we not need to write the condition as well as, right? So similarly, the what is my condition? My condition is Japan. Okay, right? Japan is my condition which I am looking for. So Japan, you got this value. Similarly, if you want to remove the formula, this alt es again, go in values and paste it value, so that the formula will be gone. Got it? This is how the count if and sum if works. Okay, hope you like the video guys. Thank you.